Today I'm going to show you how to make raw vegan flatbread. This recipe pairs well with sandwiches or any vegan breakfast combination. It is absolutely delicious, and this one is coconut based. You're going to love this recipe. You can't taste the coconut, but it gives it that perfect oily consistency that you're going to love. Okay, so now we have our flatbread. I pulled it out of the dehydrator. I'm going to make a burrata capri sandwich. This is going to be absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it into half. So on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of pesto. Okay, so the next layer, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of arugula on. I have some sun-dried tomatoes that I dehydrated. These are absolutely delicious. I have a little bit of rosemary and garlic that I put on there. And then last but not least, I have some vegan cheese. Now this is just a light spread, and it's not meant to be formed. This is made out of cashew. And another thing you can add on here, which really ups the flavor, is a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes. But that's up to you.